It is important to remember that it will not be easy for the Bharatiya Janata Party to get rid of B.S. Yediyurappa. He is a strong face and has a strong political clout in the state politics. This is now a flashback also to 2013. That was the year when Bharatiya Janata Party realized the real extent that possibly Yediyurappa is capable of causing. Now, in May 2013, Yediyurappa broke away from the Bharatiya Janata Party and formed his own party, the KJP. And that split cost BJP's the Lingayat vote bank.
For many, B.S. Yediyurappa has always been the BJP mainstay in Karnataka. He is the undisputed leader of the single largest community in the state, the Lingayats. The Lingayats, comprising 17% of Karnataka's 6 crore plus population, helped the BJP secure 110 seats in the 224-member state assembly in 2008. Their sole wish was to see Yediyurappa as the chief minister. However, the BJP government's involvement in corruption and sex scandal was a major reason why it lost significant portion of its urban vote bank in the state in the 2013 polls. While one minister was accused of rape, 2 others were caught watching porn on the floor of the Legislative Assembly. Besides, a dozen ministers, including Yediyurappa, were accused of land grabbing, cheating and corruption. The result was an all-time low for the party image. Finally, in a major embarrassment to the BJP, B.S. Yediyurappa, who had quit the CM's post over corruption charges, was jailed in October 2011. This after the Lokayukta Special Court judge rejected his bail plea in 2 cases of illegal denotification of land in and around Bengaluru in return for monetary gains. Yediyurappa spent 25 days in prison before being released. Now he wanted his post back, but Advani was firm on dealing with corruption within the party to take on the Congress. Then, in December 2012, B.S. Yediyurappa walked away from the BJP after his plans to become chief minister or party chief were opposed by L.K. Advani. Advani and many others were gearing up towards the 2014 polls and did not want anybody to scuttle their anti-corruption crusade against the Congress nationally. 2013 polls changed everything for the BJP. The Congress came to power. Siddaramaiah became the chief minister and BJP was reduced to just 40 seats. BSY's KJP had secured 6 seats and damaged the BJP. It was time to bring Yediyurappa back into the party. The late Anant Kumar and others had objections to the return of Yediyurappa. They wanted an alliance with the KJP instead of a merger. Others were a bit skeptical about inducting the entire KJP into the BJP, since in some constituencies the fight had turned ugly. But bringing B.S. Yediyurappa into the party once again was of utmost importance, as Karnataka was the only state in South India where the BJP then hoped to perform decently in the 2014 general elections. It was for these reasons and the very survival of the party that the BJP brought back B.S. Yediyurappa.
And this is not all. I'm heading into a